Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the new SmartDuvet, which I just received. So this is a 2.0 version. So I wanted to let you know or see how easy it was to install. So the box included this, which is the control unit, right, just like the old one. And the hose to connect the SmartDuvet to the control unit, and this. Now this is where I can already see the big difference between the 2.0 and the 1.0 version. So let's go ahead and follow the directions carefully. So I will do exactly that. And since, like I said, I had the original SmartDuvet, this will be good because it'll be a good idea on the difference between the two. And this is where I can say this looks a lot different than this. The new version looks a lot better. Okay, next. Unpack your SmartDuvet. Remove the duvet from the reusable vacuum storage bag. So as we can see already on this new one, this is a very nice and soft, even duvet cover. Well, this was kind of crinkly. So even when you had that on your duvet cover, and you pressed it down, it felt a little crinkly. This will definitely take care of that. So this is very, very nice. Next, following. Connect the up connectors marking. Sure the up marking on the connector is facing the top of the box. Side without the silicone feet. All right. So, it says up right here. And we are going to run this underneath. Up and connecting the power cord. You can see that inside the duvet cover is something similar to what we had before, but again, this is not as crinkly. It feels a lot smoother. All right, and here are the connectors that they were talking about. So when you feed the tube, you just feed it into here, but you can hear the difference. You can almost hear nothing. So big difference in the material since my iPhone is being used right now. Now let's turn it on. So on the iPad, it looks exactly like it does on the iPhone, right? So we're asking you to connect the first time around, and it is connecting. And then it says make your bed, so we'll do that. Now, the cool thing about this new one as well is that because this is made this looks and feels a lot nicer. the bed clips are actually on that duvet cover. So this will allow you to make the bed with your sheets when you click on the make bed feature. Alright. And the way you do it is that you match it up right here. Make sure that it's open. And then you feed it into the clip, into the hole. Like so. And then you close it. Now your sheet is attached to your bed. Oh yeah, this is so nice. See, before when you did this, it kind of felt crunchy. And now it does not at all. It feels very nice and smooth. And the other thing is when you put a duvet cover, like I'm going to do on here as well with this, you could see the holes on the duvet cover before, which did not look great. But with this new version, that is not going to be an issue anymore. And for the duvet covers, make sure this is breathable bamboo, right? Because otherwise the air is not going to get through. So you won't feel as much the heat or the cool. So you really don't try to save some money on some cheap sheets or get something that is too thick, because then it will completely defeat the purpose. I also recommend, if you get some duvet sheets like this, you get some that have two zippers at the bottom. By that I mean a zipper on this end and a zipper on this end. As you know, you have that tube that is right here, right? So what you can do, if you have a double-sided one, you zip that all the way to the tube on one side and do exactly the same way on the other. And you can tell the SmartDuvet as well that the duvet cover also has, as it looks like, a double-sided zipper. Yep, it sure does. So helps make the bed better. And now this looks like a regular bedspread. So as I said previously, I already had the previous version, so I already know how good this is. It's really nice, especially on a king size bed, because you're able to get either cool or hot on either side, which is great because most people have different tolerances on what they like. But this looks a lot nicer. And as you can see, it's really simple to use. So hope this helped. Please press like, ask me anything on the comment section, and subscribe. That would be great. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. By the way, if you have pets, they absolutely love this. Cat and dog absolutely love how fluffy it is. So if you're wondering, is it worth the price? It's worth every penny. Just being able to adjust the temperature, and it makes a huge difference. I mean, it gets really hot and really cool as well, surprisingly enough. So especially here in Florida for me, but also, you know, I lived in Chicago, so I can imagine wanting a really warm blanket at night, and here something nice and cool. This is, yeah, I can't sleep without it now. Every time I go on a trip, I miss it. I really do. So is it worth the price? Absolutely, every penny. Right, Viv?